Every birthday I have this tradition. I pack my stuff, I buy a plane ticket, and I go on a solo trip to the place where I've never been before. And if you're not new to this channel, you've probably already seen a couple of trips like that. Rome, Istanbul, Paris. But last year I decided to go to completely opposite direction. And instead of Europe, I choose to go to Malaysia, to Kuala Lumpur. When I came to Kuala Lumpur, I was so shocked. What is going on? So amazed by this place and country that instantly I felt a bright light of inspiration. So I decided to document one night. And that exactly night I'm going to share with you. It's actually quite crazy how much stuff happening like everywhere, you know? I'm actually a bit shocked. I mean, yes, I know that I'm from Amsterdam and there's a lot of people, but not as right now here on this corner. This is freaking insane. He's just like, what is going on? Crazy, and everyone looks so different, you know, and doing something. Just look at them. What? My eyes just keep running, because so many things, so many, like, just like everything happens in the same time in the same place. I would say that's the best and ideal place for street photography. Maybe I shouldn't know. Maybe it's way too crowded. But it's holy shit, what? I swear to God, this is one of the most surreal places. I mean, the nightlife here, like, next level. Look at the street. Like, here they're selling some hats and some small stuff. Here we have some laptops. Ah, that's a cool business, bro. Some, how do you call those paintings? Well, you know better, right? Here's some artists, it's just like, just going crazy. Some other stuff happening. Look at that. He's drawing this guy. Oh, this is Cinderella. No, that's not a Cinderella. This is Snow White. But this street is like, holy shit. Let's just walk and see what's going on. I mean, like, come on. It is mind-blowing. Like, so much colors. So many people. Holy shit. And some actually beautiful girls. I mean, like, look at that. I guess here you can choose 82, and they're gonna make it right on the point. Right on the point. No. Oh, this is like a tooth tattoo. Hello. That's really cool, beautiful, great job. Okay, right now we're just gonna go in some wild store that I have never seen before. I mean, like, so much useless stuff like in one place. Oh, that's the girl again. Oh, hey, hello again. Look at that, isn't it crazy? What is going on? Like, there's so many toys. Oh, that's a kid's store, okay. Okay. I thought it was just a useless store, but it's a kid's store and toy store. Or not, actually I don't know. Because I don't see any kids here. I see only adults. Some stuff, what is that, brother? Incredible. And here's other stuff going on. I don't know. It's freaking incredible. I mean, like, oh, finally some kids. No, that's not a kid. Okay. Oh well, where's the kids? No, that's just short Malaysians. Oh, that's another cool thing, because in Netherlands, I mean, like in Europe overall, I'm not the tallest guy, but here I feel finally quite confident. Oh, that's the toy from my child. No, definitely not. It's a Garfield, but it doesn't look like as it was back in the days in my childhood, eh? Nowadays everything is modified, everything looks different, and the toys doesn't look the way they were before, so yeah, I mean, but it's still cool, look at that. I mean, like, it's really, how to say, it's cute, especially this one, cute. And this is also cute, look at that. Okay, let's go out and see what else we're gonna find here. Oh, that's some crazy stuff here. I swear to God. This Kuala Lumpur is something different. Oh, here's another bento. I'm curious, what do you think? What day of week is right now? I mean, like, is it a Friday, Sunday, Monday? I'm gonna give you 3 seconds to guess. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's a Monday. It's Monday, and it's like that. Ooh, I spot something really just mind-blowing. It's a market. It's a night market, and just look at it. It's just crazy how lively it is. Lovely, lively. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I mean, the lights and the vibe. I mean, like, look at that. There's some people are doing something productive on their phones. There is some more stuff going on. I don't understand what you're saying, but it's cool, bro. There's more, and it's just like a huge one street. It just like never ends. Insane. It's so vivid. I mean, like, and Asian people are, wow. I mean, like, I'm in love. I'm in love with this place. Look at this stuff. Look at this stuff. Yes, I know I'm a bit overexcited, but I never seen something like that in my life. It's just like, it's phenomenal how many things are happening like in one place. Look, here people are eating, enjoying their wonderful meal. On the other side, people are cooking their wonderful meal. A lot of things that I have never seen in my life. Look at that. What is even that?
What?
It's an octopus.
This one big thing. Ooh, very good.
It's something else.
This one
just like,
what's up?
oof. I mean, like, for real. Like, if you would been of my place here, you would be also really excited about it. I swear to God.
See the light, see the party to bow down, see you make your way through the crowd and say hello.
Hello. Your voice is something else. Wow.
Little did I
Look at that. Some other stuff happening. What is that? And that. And here. And that. And this guy. Look how friendly it is. Holding his two hands and not letting him go. Incredible. And this place. What a crazy experience, I swear to God. Oh, I mean, like, really, every single place here is just mind-blowing with the amount of things that are just I never seen. Like, look, I mean, like, this is crab, and yeah, it's a crab, but I have never seen it being sold like that. Insane, insane. And this place. Okay, let's play one game. I'm gonna be walking straight forward, and you're gonna, whenever you're gonna see any other European person beside me, you're gonna be like, hey! Because there's like, I haven't seen anyone. I mean, maybe this is from Latin America. Asian people. Oh, I see one. Okay, there's one. There's two more. Or Asian or whatever. Okay, my point was there's not so many Europeans. I feel quite exotic here. Hey guy, what's up? What are you selling? What kind of menu you have? What is going on? So much skill, look at that. I would call it a street artist. In this place, what is that? Oh, this is corn, okay. This is something I have seen before. Okay, that's not nothing new. But still, this market is just still, it's keep going, Look at that. Look at that. Crazy stuff. I found this really cool random place in the middle of basically nowhere, and I'm looking forward to explore what they actually have here because I'm quite hungry and it looks fancy, right? Okay, if you're gonna look on the menu, it's just full of dishes, fruitsy dishes with the durian. And the craziest thing I found here, it was a durian pizza. It looks something like that. Ooh, I really would love to try durian pizza. It's something interesting. Plus, I really like durian. I mean, like a lot of my friends don't like that, but I think it's really interesting combination. It tastes like onion, but a sweet one. I would like to order durian pizza. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go. You know what is crazy? I just now realized that in front of me there is a TV. And this TV, it's flipped vertically the same way as people are consuming smartphones. It's quite interesting. I wonder, like, if it's our actual future, if it's actually how it's gonna be in 10-15 years from now on, when people gonna use their TVs like in a vertical way. I mean, like from one side it makes sense because I mean, like, anyways, people are watching TikTok, Reels, Shorts, etc. And it's getting more and bigger and bigger and bigger. So I assume that at some point they're just gonna be like, oh, I'm just tired to watch TikTok or scroll Instagram on my phone. So they're gonna come home, right? They're gonna switch on their TV and they're gonna scroll on TV. And the best way to scroll it is gonna be like that, vertically. I really like how casually he's walking, knowing that I'm waiting here, my pizza, my durian pizza for 58 RM, which is the most expensive thing on my menu. Yay! Thank you so much. How do you say thank you in your language? You just turn your back and don't give a fuck about it. But this is my durian pizza. It smells exactly like durian, like onion. You know, a couple of days ago, me and my Indonesian friend, we went to the restaurant and there was a guy who was sitting in front of the camera and he was speaking and eating and we were making fun of it, you know? And right now I'm in a similar position when I'm gonna have a taste of this durian pizza in front of the camera. Okay, the moment of truth. I don't know what to say. It's one of the weirdest combination and experience that I ever had. It feels like pizza with pineapple, but with a lot of onion, you know? Well, it's interesting. Would I buy it again? I don't know. So it was a one-time experience. It's okay. I think I like more fresh durian though. Or durian. How do you call it? Great. Gin durian? What's it? Durian grey. Well, pizza itself tastes really nice, but I know it was a big mistake because right now I realized that I completely forgot about my gluten intolerance, and in a couple of hours I'm gonna struggle, I'm gonna suffer. So one more bite for that. Okay, I'm done with pizza, and conclusion: never again in my life I'm gonna have durian pizza. Fuck that shit. I mean, like, it's a cool one-time experience, but not my thing. Maybe there are some people that are gonna love it. I will not forget it.